Oh yeah, you can already feel it. Crazy slickness. Hey guys, welcome back to another Stay Slick video. I wanted to bring you along to show you something I'm really excited about. I'm working on my truck right now and I found another paint sealant. So if you know anything about me, you know that I'm on the journey for the best and most cost-effective spray-on paint sealants, ones that will knock off Bead Maker from the pedestal, if you will, or the standard of the industry. And I think that I found one that I believe is the one that I would rather use. It's 3D's Bead It Up. Non-dilutable, it's just straight, so it's just like Bead Maker. If there's anything out there that is almost identical to Bead Maker as far as how you use it and the results you get, I would say it's this. Okay, right now I'm working on the shaded side of my vehicle. Just like any other product, you can either spray it on the panel or you could spray down the towel. I just choose to spray the towel. A little bit goes a long way. 2 little spritz like this. We're gonna wipe it in. The application of this product feels pretty much identical to Bead Maker. As soon as you start wiping it in, it starts to flash, and then you start to feel the slickness. Now, one thing I'll say that Bead It Up has, they have my favorite smell. It's like the best tropical smell. A whole door, I'm using 2 sprays like that. I'm gonna wipe it in, go back, flip the towel, make sure there's no streaks. Oh yeah, you can already feel it. Crazy slickness. Product also works great on glass. For glass, what I would do is I would actually spray it directly onto the towel. Just a little spritz. These products tend to streak a little on glass. That's just the nature of the beast. Flip it over, get your dry side. Incredibly slick, streak-free glass. Also works great on wheels, same thing. Spray onto the towel. Wipe it in. You want to make sure you do a thorough cleaning of your wheels, right? Because you don't want to be wiping in any of the dirt, brake dust, the iron particles, anything that's on here that's going to scratch the finish. There's not really, I mean, you can't really avoid it per se, but you can definitely try your hardest to slow down the process. There's nothing that you can do to stop your wheels from getting scratched over time. It just happens, you know, it is what it is. All right, here we go. Ready? We're gonna check out the results. Just wanna see what the gloss looks like. I mean, from what I've seen so far, it's amazing. On the shade, on this side, it's crazy. So I wanna go show you the sun side, and show you what the results are on that. So let's check it out. Wow, look at that gloss. That is insane. That is insane gloss. Very, very nice. Look at the sparkle in the paint pop out. Don't mind all the swirls. I'm already gonna be going in and doing a polish on this vehicle. This is my work truck. But just look at that gloss. Okay, so you see those are amazing results, right? I mean, just crazy gloss. The slickness is crazy. The water beading is not bad, right? These products are So I know somebody's gonna ask, where do you use this in your process? You can use this as a drying aid. So when the vehicle's wet after doing the final rinse, you can spray 1 spray per panel or 2 sprays per panel, and you can wipe down your vehicle. You can use this when it's dry and lay it down. That will obviously make it stick longer. It'll make it better protection. So is this better than Bead Maker? Who knows? It's so subjective. There's so many of these products now. An Extreme Solutions topper is great. Bead Maker is great. Bead It Up is great. Technician's Choice Ceramic Detail Spray is great. The only thing that really differentiates themselves is whether you can dilute them or not, the smell, how slick and how glossy it is. I guess durability, even though I don't really care about durability on spray-on paint sealants. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all I could really tell you about 3D Bead It Up. It's a product that is being made to fill the market where Bead Maker is, and I think it's doing a fantastic job. Thank you guys as always. I appreciate you guys. I'm Stay Slick fam. Thank you for coming back. You guys rock. See you guys in the next one. All right, peace. Stay slick.